morning. Welcome to Sparkle with Jyoti. How are you? I am not that great. So I have this terrible back sprain. I don't know how did I get it. I have not met with an accident or anything, but I don't know. So it's like my whole right side is paining, like my upper back, lower back, my hip, my leg, the whole thing is paining. I tried to, it is going on past 3-4 days, but I thought like it will go away on its own. I tried to put balm and hot and cold press and everything, but nothing seems to work out. So finally I called my Ward Central, which is the clinic where you registered to your personal number. और उसके बाद मुझे आज मैंने कल कॉल किया था, तो आज मुझे फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट की अपॉइंटमेंट मिली है. So I'm going there now and let's see how it goes. I'm desperately looking for some solution. बहुत ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा है, मेरा पेशेंस लाइक लिटरली ख़त्म हो रहा है. सो आई जस्ट होप कि मुझे कुछ सोल्यूशन मिले, कुछ मेडिसिन मिले, बिकॉज मुझे काम बहुत है और सब बैठ के मुझे लाइक कंटिन्यूस सिटिंग वर्क है. अभी तो मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि खड़े रह के भी कुछ काम करूँ, बट इट्स सो अनकम्फर्टेबल. So yeah, just wanted to make this vlog so that whoever is suffering here or having any kind of pain, so you know the procedure and what you're supposed to do and get a solution. So hope this helps you. Finally here guys, I was trying to search it coming here for the first time, so I didn't know. So this is Active Rehab. This is Active Rehab and yeah, I'm coming for the first time. I never had this physical kind of pain. कभी भी नहीं हुआ. This is like the first time in my life. तो let's see क्या बोलते हैं डॉक्टर. Hey guys, I am done with the appointment and I'm feeling so good actually. I don't know, she said that there's a lot of stress and tension in my lower back and it's become chronic back pain. And she just told me a few exercises and there is a follow-up appointment going to be on 15th again. So hopefully it should be fine with whatever exercises she's given me. Oh god, she was so good. She just listened to me and just explained me, I think it's I have been taking too much of stress, and like work stress and yeah, I think business is not easy. That's like we all know, but then it really gets to you. Building a business is really hard, and I've been doing it all by myself alone without any help. I have not hired much, like just one person I hired, and that's it. It's really hard, but yeah, I am trying my best, and I'm going to take care of my mental health as well as my physical health much more. Now I've really understood, I think really understood that how much toll your mind and your mental state can have on your physical health as well. So it's all connected. So हाँ, तो अभी मेरा हो चुका है, and this area is actually Dumshirkan. It's connected, so you can go to Kungsports, Plaston, Wilsparken and Dumshirkan as well. There are a lot of small shops and restaurants here. It's really a very beautiful street to have a walk and also do shopping. So I bought some stuff for my daughter from TGR. Halloween is in the air everywhere. I can see this orange pumpkins and all the decor and all the related stuff which you can use for Halloween and have fun. So last year we really had fun. This year also we are planning something. Let's see how it goes because the weather is horrible. I've never seen इतनी बारिश तो मैंने कभी देखी नहीं थी गौतमबुद्ध में. It's like first time I have been seeing, like it's been raining and pouring in like the days. It's really difficult to cheer up your mood in such weather. But of course, you have to just make do whatever you get, right? So yeah, I'm just going to go home now and we'll do those exercises which she has given, and hopefully I'll be better soon. She also told me to take some painkillers if need be. Like Ipren is there and Alvedon, which is available here. Alvedon is like paracetamol and Ipren is a painkiller. So she told me to take a combo of both of this at least for a week and see how it goes. So I'm going to do that. And now I'm little tired because of all the stretching and all the pain which has been going on. So I'm just going to go home. I have anyways work, but it's okay. I just had a nice cup of coffee, relaxed a little bit, and now I'm going home. So yeah, talk to you later guys. Bye. Hey guys, today is Thursday and yet another day in my life. It's pretty busy today, and I'm happy to report that it's just been a day, but I'm feeling much better with my health and with my back pain. I did like few exercises which she told me yesterday, and I think it went really well. So I think today I am feeling a little bit like myself. Last 5-6 days was horrible. It was paining so terribly, even while normal movements also, like it was really painful. But it is much better, and I'm really feeling good. So I decided to film YouTube videos today. I have been last week was little bummer, so I couldn't film. मैं फिल्म नहीं कर पाई और I'm like कितना बुरा लग रहा था कि मैंने फिल्म नहीं किया. तो मैं बेसिकली काफ़ी वीडियो शूट करके रखती हूँ, सो दैट मुझे सिर्फ एडिट करना है और पोस्ट करना है. बट वो मेरे पास कुछ भी वीडियोस अभी बाकी नहीं है. एक ऑन द प्रोसेस लाइक चल रहा है, बट देन स्टिल आई नीड टू हैव इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज एज वेल फॉर यू गाइज. तो इसलिए अभी आज वीडियो शूटिंग का दिन है. And my daughter has gone to school and my husband has gone to office, so I have all the home to myself and complete privacy and freedom to do all my tasks today. मुझे realize हुआ है कि I have to optimize my time so that मैं weekend को काम न कर पाऊँ, because मैं आजकल every weekend I'm working, every day I'm working, and it's been really मुझे बहुत ही it's taking toll on my health, so we need to prioritize that health. So मैंने सोचा कि मैं आज और कल में सब काम finish कर देती हूँ, and Saturday Sunday I can just do like minor task for the clients, which I can do on my phone as well, so I don't have to actually sit in front of the laptop and work. So yeah, so let's get to work now. Hey guys, 3 changes of outfit and 3 videos done. I'm so happy today that I have completed the task which I set for myself. And अभी मैं बहुत ही भूख लगी है, तो अभी मुझे खाना है और फिर बच्ची को जाके पिकअप करना है स्कूल से. But yes, I just finished 3 videos and you're going to be very happy because the content is amazing. मैंने immigrant struggles part 2 भी शूट किया है, which is so exciting because मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें से अंदर होती है मुझे शेयर करने का मन करता है, बट वो होता नहीं है. टाइम नहीं मिलता. क्लाइंट्स का काम, घर का काम, और क्लाइंट्स के काम में मेरे 8-9 घंटे चले जाते हैं दिन के. और मेरे डिफरेंट टाइम जोन्स में भी मैं काम करती हूँ. आई हैव क्लाइंट इन UK, आई हैव क्लाइंट इन US, आई हैव क्लाइंट इन इंडिया. तो ऑलमोस्ट दिन भर मैं काम ही कर रही हूँ. तो ये हाल है, बट एनीवेज इट्स गुड. आई लव एंड एंजॉय डूइंग माई वर्क. तो अभी मैं खाना खाती हूँ और फिर जाती हूँ उसको लेने के लिए. So I'll see you later. Bye guys. Hey guys, so today is Saturday and it's weekend of course. So I have started my shopping for India. So there is not a long list, but there are a few items which I want to pick up, especially some jackets and perfumes and some makeup items. Nowadays I think in India everything is available. So. And toys, and hope you have a good Saturday. Bye. Yeah, so we are looking for some stuff, and as you can see, a lot of people are doing shopping, but I think we have come on the off time. All the sale is almost over. So yeah, let's see what I find out, and hopefully you have good food and for dinner after going on. Yeah, we just finished lunch and now we are just hunting for some good stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's yet another day in my life, and it's a beautiful autumn morning. Autumn has started and all the leaves are looking so great. It's so beautiful to look outside the window and have these amazing colors outside. So yeah, I'm going now. I've just quickly finished my work and I'm going now to meet my friend for lunch. And yeah, I am trying to do some shopping here and there whenever I'm outside. And so I'm going to pick up some makeup. So let's see if it's not hard and fast that I have to buy, but I have to of course look and try stuff, because there are some products which are not available in India, and here some of the products are really amazing, especially the base like foundation and concealer and stuff. So I'm going to see that, and yeah, I'm going to have some good time with my friend and really working hard this week, and I'm hardly gotten out of the house. So really, it's so feels so fresh to be outside the house. And yeah, let's go. Hey guys, here we are at the Espresso House, and we are having our pumpkin spice latte, which is so trending. And I've never tried it. It's available in Starbucks as well, but apparently I never got chance to try. But today I am trying with my awesome friend here. Hi. She's expecting a baby, and we're super excited for that. So I'm going to tell you a taste and tell you how does it taste, okay?